Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Is your Roblox not loading, crashing, or stuck on a white screen? Sometimes the fastest fix is also the easiest one. And in this video, I'll show you how a proper restart can solve most Roblox issues instantly. Let's get started. First, make sure you completely exit Roblox. Don't just close the window, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+. Scroll through the list, and if you see Roblox Player or Roblox Studio still running, right-click and select End Task. Next, restart your internet connection. This sounds basic, but trust me, Roblox depends heavily on a stable connection. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Now, fully restart your PC. This clears memory and resets background services that might have glitched. Once your computer boots back up, relaunch Roblox, and in most cases, you'll find it's working perfectly again. If it's still not working, try clearing the Roblox cache by typing this in the run box, win+r, %local app data %c Roblox. Delete the contents of the versions folder. Don't worry, Roblox will rebuild them automatically. This simple reset combo fixes 80% of Roblox issues without needing any advanced steps. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.